I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming tracking, GA4 and Facebook Pixel, so you can measure, make sure events fire. Next, choose one campaign goal and set a KPI percentage target to judge success. Then prepare 5 hero products with 3 high-quality images, each and short, benefit-driven descriptions. Once done, organize product SKUs into clear categories and create a simple landing flow. This minimizes friction and lets you launch ads immediately, rather than wasting time on hypothetical setups. You should now build campaigns in parallel. You search for intent, social for discovery, and shopping for direct commerce. Create 3 ad sets per channel, broad, interest-based, and retargeting, and allocate budget 60/30/10 to learn quickly. Design creatives with 1 strong headline, 2 description variants, and 2 CTAs. Launch a /B tests to iterate. Once ads run, monitor cost per acquisition and click patterns daily. Make small adjustments to bids and audiences, because gradual optimization beats wholesale changes. You finish by scaling winners. Increase budget about 20% every 3 to 4 days while pausing underperformers. This keeps stats stable. Add dynamic retargeting, expand with lookalike audiences, and deploy email flows to recover carts and reduce churn. Make sure to improve landing speed and tighten offers to lift conversion rates. If performance stalls, check attribution windows, pixel integrity, and page load times. These are common causes. Addressing them usually restores measurable growth within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.